Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to improve video quality in Google Meet for better online meetings and a more professional appearance. First, open Google Meet and join any meeting. Once you're in the meeting, click the three-dot menu at the bottom of the screen and select Settings. From the left side, click Video. Here you'll find the video quality options that control how clear your video looks during the meeting. Under Send Resolution, choose 720p HD. This setting improves the quality of the video that other participants see from your camera. Next, go to Receive Resolution and select 720p HD as well. This allows you to view other participants in higher quality whenever your internet connection supports it. After selecting both options, close the settings window. Google Meet will automatically apply the changes. For the best video quality, make sure you have a stable internet connection, good lighting in front of your face, and a clean camera lens. If your internet is slow, you can lower the resolution to improve meeting performance. Also, close unnecessary apps running in the background because they can reduce video performance and cause lag during meetings. That's it. By changing the video resolution settings and using a good internet connection, you can significantly improve video quality in Google Meet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.